Welcome to Aon Product Pick, your home for the latest PC hardware reviews, performance breakdowns, and top tech picks. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best DDR5 RAM kits in 2025, built for gamers, creators, and power users who demand next-level speed, stability, and performance. From ultra-fast frequencies to low-latency modules and sleek RGB designs, these DDR5 RAM kits are pushing desktop performance further than ever before. Rock it whether you're building a high-end gaming rig or upgrading your workstation. This list will help you choose the best memory for your setup. So make sure to like, subscribe, and let's jump into the fastest and most reliable DDR5 RAM options of 2025. Number 5. Corsair Dominator Platinum RGB. The Corsair Dominator Platinum RGB DDR5 is a premium memory kit that excels in both form and function. Featuring precision-machined aluminum heat spreaders and 12 ultra-bright Capellix RGB LEDs per module, it offers brilliant aesthetics without compromising efficiency. The modules are tightly integrated with Corsair's ICUE software, allowing for full customization of lighting effects and real-time thermal monitoring. Whether you're building a clean, minimal setup or an RGB-heavy rig, the Dominator Platinum modules stand out visually while maintaining exceptional thermal performance thanks to Corsair's patented DHX cooling system. In terms of performance, the Dominator Platinum DDR5 series delivers excellent speeds and stability, available in configurations like 5200 MHz CL36 and 6000 MHz CL30. With support for both Intel XMP and AMD Expo profiles, setup is seamless across modern platforms, and the onboard voltage regulation ensures better control during overclocking. Users on Ryzen 7000 or Intel 13th/14th Gen platforms report great compatibility and performance out of the box. However, these kits carry a premium price tag, and some competing brands offer similar or better speeds and timings at a lower cost. Still, if you're after top-tier performance with flawless build quality and best-in-class RGB aesthetics, Corsair Dominator Platinum RGB remains a standout choice for high-end builds. Number 4. Corsair Vengeance DDR5. The Corsair Vengeance DDR5 RAM is a high-performance memory solution aimed at gamers, content creators, and PC enthusiasts looking to leverage the speed benefits of DDR5 technology. Available in speeds ranging from 5200 MHz to over 6400 MHz, the Vengeance DDR5 significantly improves bandwidth and multitasking capabilities compared to its DDR4 predecessor. It also features onboard voltage regulation via Corsair's ICUE software, allowing for easier and more precise overclocking. The sleek, low-profile heat spreader design ensures efficient cooling while maintaining compatibility with most CPU coolers and compact builds. In real-world performance, the Vengeance DDR5 delivers noticeable improvements in data-heavy applications like video editing, 3D rendering, and modern AAA gaming. Thanks to its high-frequency and low-latency configuration, it minimizes bottlenecks and ensures smoother performance during intense multitasking. While DDR5 is still more expensive than DDR4, Corsair's offering strikes a solid balance between price and performance. For users building a next-gen Intel or AMD system, the Corsair Vengeance DDR5 is a reliable and powerful choice that's ready to handle future workloads with ease. Number 3. G.Skill Trident Z5 Neo. The G.Skill Trident Z5 Neo RGB DDR5-6000 is a high-performance memory kit purpose-built for AMD's latest Ryzen 7000 and 9000 series CPUs. Featuring EXPO-certified one-click overclocking and tight CL30-38-38-96 timings, it hits the DDR5-6000 sweet spot, recommended by AMD for optimal system performance. Out of the box, enabling Expo unleashes significant speed gains over JEDEC 4800 metric tons per second, improving gaming frame rates and creative workloads by up to 10 to 15%. For enthusiasts, light manual tuning can push the modules up to 6400 metric tons per second while maintaining solid stability, making it both plug-and-play friendly and overclock capable. Visually, the Trident Z5 Neo maintains G.Skill's premium design standard with a sleek 42mm profile, brushed aluminum heat spreaders, and a stylish RGB light bar that syncs seamlessly with major motherboard software like Asus Aura and MSI Mystic Light. Most users report excellent thermal and performance stability at rated speeds, though a few have encountered BIOS compatibility quirks requiring minor voltage or frequency tweaks. Despite that, this kit stands out as one of the best DDR5 options for Ryzen users, combining striking aesthetics with reliable high-speed performance tailored for next-gen AMD platforms. Number 2, PNY XLR8 Gaming Mako DDR5. The PNY XLR8 Gaming Mako DDR5 offers impressive performance for its price point, boasting speeds up to 6000 MHz with support for both Intel XMP 3.0 and AMD Expo profiles for simple overclocking. With a low operating voltage of just 1.3 V and a robust aluminum heatsink, the Mako stays cool under pressure and maintains stable performance during intensive tasks and gaming. In real-world benchmarks, it performs surprisingly close to high-end kits like the Corsair Dominator Platinum RGB and G.Skill Trident Z5 Neo, making it a standout in the mid-range DDR5 segment. However, the Mako takes a more understated visual approach, lacking RGB lighting or aggressive styling, something that may not appeal to users focused on aesthetics. While its stock latency, CL40 or CL38 depending on the model, isn't the tightest available, PNY's optimized secondary timings help preserve real-world speed. Enthusiasts may be able to push it further, with some reaching 6400 MHz at CL30 with manual tuning and quality cooling. Overall, the Mako DDR5 is a reliable high-performance option for gamers and creators who prioritize value and performance over flashy design. Number 1, Patriot Viper Extreme 5 RGB. The Patriot Viper Extreme 5 RGB DDR5 is a high-performance memory kit designed for enthusiasts, competitive gamers, and overclockers seeking extreme speeds and standout aesthetics. With rated speeds up to 8,000 metric tons per second, and even 8,200 metric tons per second on select 48GB variants, this kit supports Intel XMP 3.0 for easy one-click overclocking on compatible Intel platforms. Built with premium SK Hynix ICs, it also features an unlocked PMIC and integrated thermal pad, helping maintain lower voltages and better heat management under load. The aggressive snakehead-inspired aluminum heat spreader combined with a full-length RGB light bar delivers both eye-catching visuals and effective thermal dissipation. In real-world usage, the 32GB, 2x16GB, CL38 kit performs exceptionally well on Intel 13th Gen CPUs and Z790 motherboards, achieving its rated speeds with stability. However, compatibility with AMD Ryzen 7000/9000 platforms is limited, typically capping out around 7,600 metric tons per second without complex manual tuning. For average users, the performance gain beyond 7,200 metric tons per second may be marginal, and hitting full potential requires top-tier hardware. That said, for seasoned overclockers looking to push boundaries and add some RGB flair to their builds, the Viper Extreme 5 offers excellent tuning potential, reliable performance, and striking design. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to stay updated with all my latest content. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you want even more, check out these videos. Insert gesture toward playlist or video suggestions. I think you'll love them. Stay awesome and I'll see you in the next one.